Hello children, we are back in our maths class. Children, today we are going to discuss about the word problems in multiplication. Now beta word problems जो होते हैं, they are basically real life situations which are framed into a problem. For example, if I say कि मेरे पास 5 रुपए के 10 नोट हैं, so how many notes I have? I have got 5 rupee notes and I have total 10 notes. Okay, so 10 notes of 5 rupees. So मेरे पास कितने पैसे हुए? So how are you going to do this? Value of one note was how much? 5, and total number of notes I had 10. So we simply multiplied 10 into 5. Let's understand further with the help of some examples. Basically, children, multiplication problems are of three types. Right now we are going to discuss two important kinds of multiplication word problems. Now see, they are repeated addition problems. As we know, multiplication is repeated addition, we know that. So sometimes these problems also have this kind of question. For example, Caroline has a pack of chocolate cookies, ठीक है, and in each pack there are 4 cookies. एक पैकेट में 4 कुकीज़ हैं. How many cookies are in 5 packs? Like हम लोग मार्केट में जाते हैं, बिस्किट्स खरीदते हैं. So at times होता है ना, एक पैकेट में हमारे पास 4 बिस्किट निकलते हैं और हमने 5 पैकेट खरीदे, तो हमारे पास टोटल कितने बिस्किट्स हुए? तो दिस इज बेसिकली अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ रिपीटेड एडिशन, विच इज, as we know, it's multiplication. So what are we doing here? एक पैकेट में 4 कुकीज थे. सी लाइक हियर दिस अ पैकेट एंड वी हैव 4 कुकीज. तो 4 कुकीज के हम 5 ग्रुप बनाएंगे. तो 1 2 3 4 5 है और हर में 4 कुकीज हैं. सो हाउ मेनी कुकीज आर देयर? सो सिंपली 5 into 4 वी गेट द आंसर एज 20. या हम इसको ऐड करके निकाल सकते हैं, है ना. सो वील राइट नंबर ऑफ पैकेट्स कैरोलिन हैज 5. नंबर ऑफ कुकीज इन ईच पैकेट, एक पैकेट में कितने कुकी हैं? 4. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ कुकी इज 5 into 4. Now in these types of problems we find firstly a number of set, that is our multiplier, which is given to us. Like here Caroline has 5 packs of chocolate, so we know that the 5 is the multiplier. We have to multiply it by 5, and multiplicand is the number of things that are there in each set. That means that is the multiplicand. So here there were 4 cookies, so 4 cookies क्या हो गए? Multiplicand बन गया. So the question about total or the final number of things there are is how many cookies are in the pack. So we have framed a multiplication problem. Now second type of problem is the rectangular arrangement problem. जैसे कि अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ कि आपके क्लास में, इन योर क्लास देर आर 4 रोज, 4 रोज हैं और हर रो में 5 बच्चे बैठे हैं, या मान लीजिए 6 बच्चे बैठे हैं, ठीक है. देर आर 4 रोज एंड 6 children are sitting in each row. So how many children are there in your class? Rows, and in each row number of children are there. So what will you do? 6 and 4. 4 rows हैं, multiplied by number of children, that is 6. So we will have 24 children. Let us take an example which is given here. Today we are going to dinner. Suppose this family is going for dinner. There are 5 types of sauces and 4 types of pasta to choose. ठीक है, देयर इज अ बुफे होता है, बुफे लेड आउट है, 4 टाइप्स ऑफ पास्ता हैं एंड 5 टाइप्स ऑफ सॉसेज आर देयर. नाउ दे आर आस्किंग हाउ मेनी कॉम्बिनेशंस ऑफ पास्ता एंड सॉसेज वी कैन चूज टू ईट. नाउ द कॉम्बिनेशन कैसे बनेगा? सी हियर वी हैव द 5 सॉसेज and here we have the 4 types of pastas. So in all we can say we can make 20. So to know the number of combinations, we simply multiply the rows and columns. Like to find out the number of children in the class, we multiplied the rows and the number of children who were there. So we got the total strength of the class. Isn't it cool? Simple to understand. Now in these types of problems, we find that the number of elements that the first set has is given to us. Like we have the 5 types of sauces, 4 rows, है ना, या 3 columns, it's given to us. Number of elements उस एलिमेंट में उस रो में कितने हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो नोन टू अस, like 4 types of pasta. And then we are supposed to find out the total number of combinations or the total strength or how many are there. So we are able to get again the answer by multiplying. Now here are some example questions for you. You have to solve these. First one, Daniel mom makes cupcakes. She uses 2 shapes of cups and 13 flavors. So how many combinations can she make? So again, how will we do this? 2 shapes of cups हैं and 13 flavors हैं. So we will simply multiply 13 into 2. So we will get 26. So she can make 26 different cupcakes. Now Anne has 5 boxes. In one box there are 6 dolls. How many dolls does she have in all? अब इसको कैसे करोगे? 5 boxes हैं, we know number of boxes, और एक box में कितने doll हैं? 6. 6 dolls in one box. So here again, if we are going to multiply 6 5s are 30. Repeated addition वाली प्रॉब्लम का एग्जाम्पल है ये. 5 boxes हैं और एक बॉक्स में हमारे पास 6 डॉल्स हैं. सो अगर हम 6 डॉल्स का ग्रुप बनाएं 5 जगह और सबको जोड़ दें तो हमारे पास कितने डॉल्स होंगे? 30. सो वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग हियर 5 into 6 to make it simpler. Last one, see. There are 37 rows and 42 columns of chairs in a soccer stadium. How many chairs are in all? Now again you have the rows and columns. So once you are multiplying 37 rows and 42 columns of chairs, you will get to know the total number of chairs in the stadium. So this is how children basically word problems are framed, and you are able to understand that they are the problems of multiplication. Okay children, I will be sending you the assignment so you can complete it to have a better you can say understanding of this word problems. Thank you children. We'll have another session of multiplication word problems in our next video.